2026 Denago MX1. It's a 110cc semi-automatic, no clutch pit bike. These bikes come fully loaded with electric start, colored matching shifter, inverted forks with the fork guards, color matching grips, gold chain, color matching chain adjusters, 27.5-inch seat height. It's a perfect kid's bike to start out with. Foldable levers, red CNC brake cover, throttle governor under the handlebar. It's got backup kickstart and electric start, color matching frame, carbon fiber tip on the exhaust, adjustable rear shocks. There's your rear brakes there. So these are really good looking bikes. They come with a full parts and labor warranty. Come check it out today. The Red Edition MX1 by Denago at East Central Sports or Rush City, Minnesota. Find us online.